Welcome to Daily Tutorials. Today we're gonna learn everything about the currency pipe. So let's get started. The currency pipe is used for formatting currencies. Here in our TypeScript file, we have a created variable of type number. Now let's add to the HTML file. We're gonna start by adding an H3 element. And use interpolation. Put our credit, vertical bar, and our currency pipe. Now let's check the browser. And by default, it adds a dollar sign to the left of our credit. Now let's go back. Currency pipe has 4 optional parameters of type string. Our first one is currency code, so I'm gonna put a colon, and can you choose our currency, so AUD. Now let's go back to the browser, and there we can see that it's the sign for the Australian dollar. Now let's go back. Our second parameter is display, which has 4 options: symbol, which is the default, symbol narrow, and code and default string. Now let's add colon. Let's try code, and let's check the browser. Here it displays the currency code. Now let's go back. Let's try symbol narrow. Now let's go back. And here it only keeps the currency sign. Let's go back. And for the default string, we can choose whatever we want. We can call it Aussie. Now for our third parameter is Disdainful, which serve in customizing the decimal points of our currency. Let's put our quotes. First number represents the maximum integer we can have, so let's put 3. Then period. Then this number now represents the minimum fraction we can have. Let's put 1, and we can put a dash, and the maximum fraction we can have. Let's put 4. Now let's go back to the browser. You can see the 0, it adds a 0 in front of our number. Now let's go back. Let's make this 1. And let's go back to the browser. And here we can see it only keeps 1 number. Our fourth parameter is locale, which allows us to display based on a region configuration. Let's put FR. Let's go back to the browser. And here we can see that we have a problem. Let's check the console. Error, invalid pipe argument, missing locale data for the local FR. Now let's go back to our editor. Here we need to import the configuration for our region. So import register locale data from Angular command, and we're gonna import locale R, which represents the France region, from Angular command slash locales slash fr. Also need to run a function which is register locale data. First argument is locale fr, and our second argument is fr. Now let's check our browser, and here we can see that the currency is on the right now. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.